In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create explainer videos with Canva. We'll walk through the process step by step, so even if you've never made a video before, you'll be able to follow along and create something clean, simple, and professional. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the button that says Create. This is where you start any new design in Canva, whether it's a graphic, a presentation, or in this case, a video. After you click Create, a search bar will appear. In that search bar, type in Explain a Video. As you type, Canva will suggest related formats, but you want to select the option specifically labeled Explain a Video. This ensures you're working with the right size and layout that's already optimized for video content on most platforms. Once you select Explain a Video, Canva will open a new project with a blank canvas on the screen. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with templates. Take a moment to scroll through these. They're pre-designed layouts built for explainer content with structured scenes, text placements, and simple animations. Choose one that fits the style and tone you want. You can always change colors, fonts, and images later, so focus mainly on finding a structure that makes sense for your message. When you've picked a template, click on it and it will automatically populate your timeline with multiple pages or scenes. Think of each page as one part of your story. Click on the first scene and start customizing the text. Replace the placeholder text with your own script, focusing on clear, short sentences that are easy to read quickly. Explainer videos work best when each scene focuses on just one idea. Next, adjust the visuals. You can swap out illustrations, icons, or photos by clicking on an element and using the left-hand panel to search for alternatives. Try to keep your design consistent. Use the same color palette and similar styles of graphics throughout so the video feels cohesive. Finally, play back your video using the preview button at the top. Check that the timing feels right, the text is readable, and the transitions are smooth. When you're happy with everything, click the download or share button, choose the video format, and export your explainer video, ready to upload or share wherever you need.